Assalamu alaikum marhaba and hello to everyone. So today we are gonna make Lahori Mutton Karhai. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go and subscribe first. So here I'm taking half kg of mutton. I'm gonna add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add 2 glasses of water to let it cook. So after 10 minutes it's boiling now, and I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and let it cook for around 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, and I'm gonna add half kg of tomato puree. Just peel them off and blend it and just add it over here. Now we will also cook with the puree. Cook it till it gets tender completely. So the mutton is tender. Now we are gonna add some oil. It's totally up to you. Now add 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, and 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder. Mix it well. Cook it for a while. Now add 1 bunch of coriander leaves, ginger having a julienne cut. Simmer it for like 5 minutes. Don't forget to share your experience in the comment section below. Now we're gonna add again some coriander leaves, and now it's ready to serve. Serve it hot with naan or whatever you want. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. We'll meet you in another video with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.